45 convicted defendants in Hong Kong's landmark trial on a conspiracy to commit subversion began making mitigation pleas in several phases today. Defense counsels representing legal scholar Benny Tai said their client was not a principal offender and suggested a sentence of 2 years in prison. This, as the prosecution stressed, organizers of the crime must receive a harsher sentence, but agreed to reducing the penalty for Au Nok Hin, Andrew Chu, and Ben Chung after they earlier assisted the prosecution. Timothy Lee has our top story.
Benny Tai, Au Nok Hin, Andrew Chu, and Ben Chung, 4 organizers who pleaded guilty in the conspiracy to commit subversion trial, as well as activist Guo Deng-en, were brought to the West Kowloon Magistrates Courts earlier today. The court will first tackle the legality of the sentencing of the defendants. According to the Hong Kong national security law, those who have committed serious national security offenses could receive sentences of 10 years to life in prison. Deputy Director of Public Prosecutions, Jonathan Mann, said acts of subversion are split into 3 categories, consisting of principal offender, active participants, and other participants. He suggested the court to sentence the defendants in accordance with their roles and level of participation in the crimes. Judge Alex Lee, noted a representative who spoke on behalf of the defendants, said only those who were successfully elected to the legislature and conspired to reject the budget should be considered as a principal offender. The prosecution rejected the statement. Meanwhile, the prosecution said Au Nok Hin, Andrew Chu, and Ben Chung, who previously served as prosecution accomplice witnesses, could receive lighter sentences. The defense lawyer for legal scholar Benny Tai said Tai should receive a starting sentence of 3 years imprisonment, which could be reduced to 2 years from his guilty plea. Among the 47 activists charged in the national security trial, 31 pleaded guilty. Timothy Lee, TVB News.